So what was your favorite hardware problem? Well, this is a good one. I was 1987 or so. I'm working with a company called ICL in England on a prototype hardware. And my fiance, soon-to-be wife, says, "You're gonna be bored. Here, why don't you borrow this game that I really enjoy playing?" And I say, "Great, this is wonderful." So I go to England, I'm there and I'm bored, so I play the game. And I plug the game into the computer, boot the computer, and it crashes. I do this 2 or 3 times. Now, the cool thing about working for the company that's designing your hardware is when there's a problem, you can go up and talk to the boffins who built the hardware and ask them for support and guidance. They went out, they looked at it, this shouldn't happen. They borrowed the game. A couple days later, they get back to me. Here's what's going on. Now, PCs at that time made sound because the output of the programmable interrupt controller was literally wired through a trace on the motherboard to the speaker. And it generated a square wave, and that square wave came out as a squeaky sound that really wasn't very nice to listen to, but it was at least a sound. PCs also had a reset line, which rebooted the computer. And it turns out they put the reset line and the sound line right next to each other on the motherboard, and there was radio frequency interference from the reset line, from the sound line to the reset line, and if you played the right frequency, which this game did, it reset the computer. So to fix it, they reran the trace for the reset line, put it far away from the sound line, and the computer was happy from then on.